Chief here. Who's this?
Wood! Dr. Wood! Hey, Doctor!
This is Wood.
Have you found my rock yet?
Yes, sir.
Goody gumdrops! Now your mission was to bring it back to me within 24 hours. Is that still feasible?
Collecting rock has become impossible, sir. The only possible action now is to destroy it.
Hey, now listen here, buddy. You better deliver me that rock, or we'll nuke the whole goddamn place from space.
That would mean the death of millions.
Casualties, specialties.
Sir, would that be seen as a declaration of war?
Listen, my advice to you is to run and hide as quick as you can, because I'm sending over the fireworks.
Sir. Sir.
Great. Now what?
I'm going to become one of them. It's the only way to stop Lugosi.
You go and take care of Lugosi, and I'll take care of the rest of them.
I think it's time to fight.
How come you have control of this when everyone else doesn't?
I will also lose control. Shoot me in the face when I do.
Right in the face. You stop right there. Yes, friend. Now let's go save the world. We made one hell of a mess. Thanks, Wood. You've saved my country, and possibly the world.